Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. For today's video, I'm going to do this makeup look. This is a very simple makeup look. For me, this is the everyday makeup, spring makeup, you know, when you want to do something very quick, very for work, maybe this results very well. Usually I did this makeup when I go out with my kids and my husband, go to the park, go to the shopping, I don't know, somewhere. And usually I do this makeup because I don't have a lot of time, so usually I spend 10-15 minutes to do this makeup. And as you can see, you will see this makeup, it's very quick, it's very easy to do. And I like this makeup because looks so beautiful, and at the same time looks so natural, you know, and I love it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up do you like this video, and enjoy this tutorial, this makeup tutorial. So my eyebrows is done. Now I'm going to start with my foundation, and for my foundation today I'm going to use this one here. This is new, this is from NYX Blur. This is the Bear With Me Blur. My shade is the shade 03 in Light Inver. So this foundation, it's very good for oil skin, for normal it's good. So for dry skin, I think this foundation is not very good. So you want to use this. First you need a good hydration. You need to do a very good hydration on your skin, okay? And don't forget to use SPF. Please, SPF, it's very important. Okay, so I'm going to use this foundation today. My brush was a mess because, as you can see, I have my foundation brush so dirty. I have one clean here. I'm going to use with a brush, but you can use with your sponge, but I prefer a brush, you know. And the shade, I don't know, it's a little bit rose for me, but it's okay. You need to do a test before you buy your foundation, okay? Don't forget this part, because this foundation I bought online, so online it's very hard to find your shade, but in the store it's more easy. So you can see this foundation blending is very good, and the coverage it's very good. You can see this part over here of my face and this part here. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. I love this foundation. It's when I want something very quick, guys, I use this because it's very good, and the coverage it's very good. And I think this foundation cost around 10, I'm not sure, but I'm going to put the link in my description box, you know. So look at this, it's very easy, I swear. I spend 10-15 minutes and it's very quick. You can see my skin looks so much better now. Well, look at this, the coverage is amazing, and the skin the skin look doesn't look glow, it looks matte, but you can use a primer before you use this foundation. Results very well, so you can use, but I like something like this because my skin my skin is oil skin, so usually maybe 3-4 hours my skin looks so glowy. So I prefer something like this when I go out, you know, and when I stay home for makeup for YouTube or Instagram, I prefer something more glowy, you know. But when I go out, usually in the summer or the spring, I prefer something like this. And the winter, I prefer something more glowy, you know. My foundation, it's done. Now I'm going to apply my concealer. And for my concealer, I love this concealer. As you know, I talk too much about this concealer and I love it. And today I'm going to use this concealer over here, here, and here. That's it. For me, this is perfect. This is perfect. Now I'm going to blending with my brush. You can blending with your sponge, but I prefer a brush, so I'm going to blending with my brush. My concealer, it's done again. Now it's very strange. Now I'm going to use a cream product, but you can use this part over here. It's very optional, you know, you can use or not, but I'm going to apply a cream product first, and next I'm going to set my face and I'm going to apply a powder product from REVLON. This is Ultra Cream Bronzer, the shade Light. This bronzer looks darker, but it's very light in your skin and blending's very good. Blending's very, very good. So I'm going to apply a little bit here. It's blending very easy, so when you're blending, don't do that. Do this. And a little bit of my cream blush. Again, this is from REVLON. This is fast base blush. My shade is the shade Bear. It's very beautiful blush. Looks very dark, but guys, this blush, it's incredible. I love it. Look this color, but in your skin looks so beautiful. You can see, look at this. Stunning. Amazing. Really. Again, I'm gonna apply here of my blush zone. I don't like to apply over here. I prefer start over here and blending a little bit for my cheeks. I'm going to use this one here. This is from NABLA. This is the Close-Up Baking Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. I love this powder. I can't stop to use this. I have a lot of powder, but I use, every time I do makeup, I use this powder here. Yeah, guys, this is true. Apply my powder. I'm going to use this sponge here. This is the puff powder. Guys, I love this. You don't have... This is incredible. This looks so flawless. Your skin looks so flawless. It's too much better with the brush. I prefer this for the brush. Yes, guys. I use this every time I do makeup. I like it. So first I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to blending over here because of my crease, my under eyes, my lid. Take a little bit more and apply this eye here and my lid again. Now I'm going setting my face. This is from NARS. This is the bronzing powder. the shade Laguna. Guys, you know I love this bronzer. This bronzer is very good, it's very versatile, so I love it. I don't need to apply too much bronzer because first apply cream product. So when you apply cream products, and next you're gonna be apply your powder products, you don't need to apply too much because you don't need. I think today I'm talking too much. I don't know. What do you think? This is the brand from Sephora, and I'm going to use the shade Frill It Up. Frill It Up. It's very beautiful shade. Look at this. It's perfect for this seasons, for spring, summer. This shade here, it's very beautiful. And a little bit blush because I don't like to apply too much blush. Something like this. I'm going to use this one here. This is the from REVLON. This is the Skin Light in the shade 201. It's a very beautiful highlight. That's it. You see? A little bit. Fix my makeup and stay for more hours. I'm going to apply all over my face. For my lips, I'm going to apply my favorite lip pencil from NYX. This is the lip liner, this shade Nude Truffle. Butter gloss from NYX, and this shade is Sugar Glass. This is a new, it's very good, and I'm going to apply all over my lips. My lips is a little bit dry, I know. For this one more step, and we finish. I'm going to use this mascara here. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, the brand L'Oreal, waterproof. Yes, guys, I'm going to use waterproof mascara. So this is the makeup. What do you think? It's very easy and look different. And my skin looks my skin. I don't have filter in my camera, so my skin looks my skin. You can see a little bit my spots is normally, and looks more beautiful, and the coverage is very good. As I said, this foundation here, it's very good. Look, this coverage, you know, and I like it, this one here, really, this is very good. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up if you like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye!